What up, Blockheads?
We're in the garage and we're going to be doing some work to one of the bikes. Which one will it be? It is this one. Alright, so we recently got in a package. Don't you guys love it whenever you get home and there's a package waiting for you on your doorstep, or you hear that knock by UPS or whatever, and you're like, yes, Christmas, even though it's not Christmas. So we got a package recently from a company that I reached out to work with for some parts on the CBR. So let's dive in. Alright, so I ordered some parts from Hotbodies Racing. If you guys haven't heard of Hotbodies, they make a bunch of different parts for sport bikes. I got some for the CBR1000RR. I have a rear hugger, which is going to basically replace this piece here. It's going to come back a little bit more, protect a little bit more of the undertail from getting stuff thrown all up on it. And I also got an undertail with integrated LEDs. So for this video, I'm actually going to be installing this one. For the next video, I will be installing that one. So let's get to opening this, checking it out. Very nice. I almost feel bad touching it because it's so shiny. Yeah, this is going to be a super easy install. They do send you some dual lock here, which you're going to cut in half. You're going to put just on the inside of the swing arm here, because you're going to need to basically hold up the left side of that piece so it's not all warped and so it's even. But we'll get to that here in just a moment. All right, so super easy modification here, guys. We're going to be taking this little rear fender piece off. It is held on by these two bolts here and here, which are going to be 5mm hex. And then we're also going to be undoing the bolts here for this brake line. And that is pretty much it. And then replacing it with that one. So let's go ahead and get these things off. All right, so man, it's a very good finish. So this is basically going to fit in here like this way, right? But as you can see, there is a bolt hole there, bolt hole there, bolt hole there. It's not supported right here along this part, so that's why they send you the dual lock 3M tape right there. So you're gonna basically cut that in half. You're gonna put a little strip of it right there, and then whenever you put this on here, you're gonna wanna put that tape on the inside of the swing arm there so that it holds it up and supports it. Hey, if you don't have scissors, you gotta improvise. All right, now we got that in there, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it on there with this side not removed yet, so whenever I line it up, then I'll remove it and press it against the swing arm. You're not tightening anything down, just do it all loosely. So you're gonna wanna make sure it's even here. Once it is, all right, nice and even. Start to snug them down a little bit more. While I've got that nice and even, here's what I'm gonna try and do. Stick some needle nose pliers in there, grab the strip, pull it out. Alright, bam, there it is. It's a little uneven, but the cool thing about that is that we can undo it, move it up a little bit. Well, it's pretty even. Just to show you guys this real quick, I did take this piece of dual lock tape, double-sided tape that locks onto it, and I actually cut it in half and pushed it further down there so it's not as visible. Just a small little attention to detail. Cool, well that is how you guys install a Hotbodies hugger. This episode is brought to you guys by Hotbodies Racing. If you guys haven't heard of them, be sure to go check out their website, which is right there, hotbodiesracing.com. Go check out their website. Be sure to tell them Blockhead sent you in your order. So big shout out to Hotbodies. Thank you guys for featuring the episode. Much appreciated. Quality on this thing looks freaking fantastic, man. The paint on it is super nice. and it really gives the bike, I don't know, like kind of more of a, you know, that swept look. Matches the gloss black on the bottom there really super well. Looks good. I like it a lot. I'm gonna adjust it a little bit on that part with the dual lock, double-sided tape stuff. But after that, and it's good to go. But yeah, big thanks to Hotbodies. Like I said, you guys be sure to go check them out. Website right here, as well as in the description below. I'll link you guys to the product used also. If you guys enjoyed the episode, be sure to hit the like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you guys do have any questions on the install, be sure to post them up in the comments below. Not that difficult one. But until next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. I'll catch y'all later. Deuces.